How to start a CNC machine business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a CNC machine business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to venture into the manufacturing industry or a hobbyist looking to turn your passion into a profitable venture, this video is for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Understanding CNC machines. The first step in starting a CNC machine business is to gain a solid understanding of CNC machines themselves. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, and these machines use computer programs to control their movement and operation. Familiarize yourself with different types of CNC machines, such as mills, lathes, routers, and plasma cutters, to determine which ones align with your business goals and target market. Step 2. Define your niche. Now that you know the basics of CNC machines, it's time to define your niche. Identifying a specific market segment or industry will help you tailor your services and marketing efforts. Are you interested in woodworking, metal fabrication, or perhaps 3D printing? Understanding your niche will guide your machine selection, marketing strategy, and overall business direction. Step 3. Create a business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is crucial for any entrepreneurial endeavor. It acts as a roadmap, outlining your goals, target market, competitive analysis, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Make sure to include details on funding options, such as self-financing, loans, or partnerships. A solid business plan will not only guide your decision-making but also attract potential investors or financial institutions. Step 4. Acquire CNC machines. Now it's time to acquire your CNC machines. Research different suppliers and manufacturers to find the right machines for your business. Consider factors like machine quality, pricing, customer support, and warranties. If you're just starting out, purchasing used machines can be a cost-effective option. However, ensure they are in good condition and meet your requirements. Step 5. Set up your workshop. Creating a suitable workshop environment is essential for running a successful CNC machine business. Ensure you have enough space to accommodate your machines, workbenches, tool storage, and any necessary safety equipment. Invest in proper ventilation, lighting, and electrical requirements to create a safe and efficient working environment. Step 6. Develop your skills. To provide top-notch services, it's important to continuously develop your skills in CNC programming, machine operation, and troubleshooting. Consider enrolling in training courses or seeking mentorship from experienced professionals. Additionally, staying updated with the latest industry trends and technological advancements will give you a competitive edge. Step 7. Marketing and networking. No business can thrive without effective marketing and networking. Create a strong online presence by building a professional website and utilizing social media platforms to showcase your capabilities, share success stories, and engage with potential clients. Attend trade shows, industry conferences, and join relevant professional organizations to expand your network and establish valuable connections. Step 8. Provide exceptional customer service. Delivering exceptional customer service is crucial for building a solid reputation in the CNC machine industry. Ensure prompt communication, meet deadlines, and address any concerns or issues promptly. Word-of-mouth recommendations and positive reviews can go a long way in attracting new clients and establishing long-term relationships. Step 9. Scale and diversify. As your CNC machine business grows, consider scaling your operations and diversifying your services. Explore opportunities to expand into new markets or offer additional value-added services. This could include design consultation, prototyping, or even partnering with other businesses to provide comprehensive manufacturing solutions. Step 10. Stay innovative and adapt. Finally, to thrive in the CNC machine industry, it's crucial to stay innovative and adaptable. Embrace new technologies, explore automation options, and continuously improve your processes. Keep an eye on market trends and customer demands to stay ahead of the competition and ensure the long-term success of your business. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide on how to start your own CNC machine business. Remember, success in any venture requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.